So to be able to properly use a bobber stop, what you do is you take your line, run a couple of inches through that little circle, and pull the bobber stop off. It's that easy. From there, what I'm going to do is I'm going to slide it up a couple of feet to give myself some room. I'm going to use a pretty small and light weight. So I've got a 1/8 ounce tungsten bullet weight. This is the Wu Tungsten, the Never Chip series. These are pretty awesome. So I've got my bobber stop. I've then got my weight. For me, whenever I'm using a Texas rig, I will also use a flipping bead. So a bead, it's a very simple plastic resin style bead. What I'll do is I'll slide that on next. Now it's time to tie the hook on and clip the end of the line. So what I've got now is I've got, again, the bobber stop. I've got then the weight that I'm going to be using. So in this example, it's a 1/8 ounce weight. I've got a flipping bead, and then I've tied my hook on. What I then do is I slide everything down, take the bobber stop, slide that right in, and that's everything in the right order. The bobber stop, the weight, the flipping bead, and the hook.